sell their produce without.
Yeah. Sorry, I forgot to record it. Now I am recording it. Continue.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
Where the farmers can sell their produce at the price without any constraints, and if they're not willing to sell the price at that particular price, they can reject it.
Mhm. Correct.
Yes, sir.
What is Yuva Shakakar scheme?
Um,
Yuva Shakakar scheme.
uh,
It
sir,
a friendly scheme which will attract youths to cooperative business ventures. Scheme will be linked to 1,000 crore cooperative startup and innovation fund. It has special cooperatives in northeastern region, aspirational districts and cooperatives. I think you may not be familiar with this. I think this is not there in Karnataka probably.
yes, sir. I was not aware
Karnataka,
about.
this is not there. Yeah.
But I
Then,
will update about it, sir.
yeah. Mm, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchayi Yojana. What is that?
So it is to improve the effective irrigation in the fields of the farmers, which says more crop per drop, and also har khet mein pani, where the farmers are accessible to irrigation facilities and their crops can be protected from during the time of like crucial irrigation phases of the crop.
Good. Correct, you told. What is Krishi Vigyan Kendras?
So, Krishi Vignan Kendras are basically KVKs which focus on the vocational training of the farmers and also the demonstration activities where the farmers are demonstrated about a particular crop in a small plot and after inspiring from there and teaching them all the practices related to that crop and the field, they can take up it in large scale in their own plots, and it makes farmer aware about the new technologies which have been coming up, new crop varieties which have been released, and also it helps women especially to participate in the value addition products like maybe jam making or bread making, etc., where they can start their own entrepreneurship.
Last question in agriculture. What
Yes,
is
sir.
Krishi Kalyan Abhiyan?
Krishi Kalyana. Uh,
It was launched to aid, assist, and advise farmers on how to improve their farming techniques and raise their incomes. It will be undertaken in 25 villages with more than 1,000 population each in aspirational districts identified in consultation with Ministry of Rural Development as per the directions of Niti Aayog. The overall coordination implementation is being done by Krishi Vigyan Kendra of the district. Various activities include soil health card scheme, 100% coverage of bovine vaccination for foot and mouth disease, 100% coverage of sheep and goat, then distribution of mini kits and pulses and oil seeds to all, distribution of horticulture, agroforestry, artificial insemination saturation, demonstration program on micro irrigation, something like that. But they will not ask this much deep and all. But
okay.
you must know about Kisan Credit Card, then about Fasal Bima Yojana, then about
Yes, sir.
agriculture schemes that are seen in the website of our federal bank. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Did you go through the agriculture schemes given in the website of federal bank?
So I just came across agriculture loans, agri credit loans which they are providing to the farmers.
Yeah, did you see that?
So I
Just
just read about it, but in detail I will look back
better
again.
better get to know about it. Better get to know about it. Now let me come to normal banking. Please tell
Yes,
me which qualities you have will be more suitable for our job.
yes, sir. As I have applied for the probationary officer role, where the officer-like qualities which are focused is customer acquisition or with the banking and so it's like
What happened?
nothing so like I just customer acquisition and target, like solving the queries of the farmers, or maybe helping the subordinates and coordinating with the higher authorities. So I think my communication skills and the exposure I got all over my MSc journey and also in Germany, it makes me more patient to deal with the customer, and I can coordinate well with the team, as I had been an all India leader in the all India trip of during my UG program. So all these blends will help me to extract my potential and work with the banking environments.
Yeah. Please tell me, what do you know about Federal Bank?
Yes, Federal Bank has been it has been founded by the KP Hormus. Starting from a regional bank, it has become a pan-India bank and also having the representative offices in other countries. So it has been a long journey since 1931, and now Federal Bank is one of the top banks where the credit rating for the deposits has achieved by AAA. And again, Federal Bank has always strived for innovation and the digital banking platforms. Like SmilePay, it has been introducing where the people can use facial technology to do payments. So the Federal Bank has been uh, self-motivated, and also the it has many programs which has been launched, like CSR activities, Sanjeevani program, that has been helping people to make their life better, and especially focusing on women. It has been introducing Mahila Mitra Plus savings account program, and Fed Fed Care program for women entrepreneurship. And moreover, coming to the statistics of the Federal Bank, it has around the family of 1.85 crore plus customers, and it has been providing an employee and customer centric approach to help and improve economically and the well being of the people. Again, coming to the quarterly reports of the Federal Bank, it has the net profit of about operating profit about 1,056 crore point 69 crores. Uh, it has again the total advances of 2.30 lakh crores. The total deposits with the Federal Bank is 2.69 lakh crores, and the net business of the Federal Bank has been 4.66, sorry, it's
0.99.
4.99 lakh crores. And again, the major problem with the banks is the NPAs, and Federal Bank has been performing well with a gross NPA of around 2.09% and the net NPA of around 0.57%. So the overall the business or the net worth of the Federal Bank is 31,108.00 crore, with the cash to risk weighted assets around 15.20%.
Not cash. Capital to risk weighted asset ratio.
Capital to risk weighted assets. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. You narrated these things very comfortably. I'm
Yes,
quite
sir.
happy about that. Very nice. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, please tell me, what do you know about CASA ratio?
The CASA is capital, the demand deposits, that is basically the current account and savings account. The farmers, sorry, sir, the banks try to improve the CASA ratio because that makes more profit to the bank, as the current accounts and savings account have minimal interest. Current accounts have zero interest to be provided, and the savings account are minimal interest to be provided. So the average level where the above 40% is, if the bank maintains the CASA ratio, it is profitable.
No,
So CASA is
but don't tell this point. I only told this point, but don't tell this
okay.
because our federal bank has only 29 point, about 29%, less than 30%. Don't tell that.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Simply
sir.
tell the cost of funds in CASA funds is low. So
Okay,
the
sir.
profitability will be more. That is why banks want more of CASA deposits. What is the
Okay.
difference between current account and savings account?
Yes, sir. Current accounts are basically open for the where they have regular transactions, especially by the business entities or enterprises. And savings account, it is opened by the any individual who wants to, where the transactions are limited, and maybe it may be for a students, females, or anyone who wants to open an account. And the number of transactions in current account are not limited or restricted, whereas in savings account the number of transactions are limited.
Hmm.
There is no interest as the transactions are existing. There is no interest provided on the savings account deposit, current account deposits. Whereas in savings account which are deposit, due to the limited amount of transactions, the specific interest is provided to the person holding an account.
3% interest is provided
Three
in
percent
saving.
interest. Yes, sir.
Good. What is the maximum rate of interest paid in fixed deposit now by Federal Bank?
So it's 7.90% for the normal bank account holders, and 7.40 for the, sorry, sir, 7.90 for the senior citizens, and 7.40 for the normal fixed deposits.
Non-senior citizens. I mean, those who are
Non-seniors.
below 60 years.
Yes, sir.
Good. You told nicely. Please tell me the name of 4 deputy governors of RBI.
Yes, sir. The first is Mr. M.D. Patra, sir. Second, Mr. Ravi Shankar. Then third one, yes, uh, Janki Raman, sir. That's Swaminathan Jan. Then
Correct. Then
fourth,
fourth.
fourth one is Rajeshwar Rao, Mr. Rajeshwar
Good.
Rao.
Very good. What are the functions of RBI?
RBI, being the Central Bank of India, has to look over it acts as a banker to the government, as well as the banker to the other banks, where it provides the loans to the commercial banks, and also it manages the foreign currency of India and the currency exchange. It also helps in issue of the currency in the economy. It manages the money supply through monetary policy committee. It frames the monetary policy committee and looks over the money supply in the economy. Yes, sir, these
Hmm.
are the major functions which the RBI performs.
Can you tell some idea about the changes in cropping pattern in India in the context of changes in consumption pattern and marketing?
Yes,
These
sir.
are these are very tough questions. I don't know whether you can manage this. I am giving you based on the agriculture economics questions for IAS. This is
Okay,
a
sir.
high level question. I am giving the link in our WhatsApp group. You please go there after the session. You please go there. You will see more questions and you can prepare for similar questions.
Okay, sir.
I
Oh,
don't think they will ask you this tough questions. But there are
okay,
other
sir.
questions like, say, what is integrated farming system? How it
Yes,
is
sir.
helpful for small and marginal farmers in India?
Oh, okay, sir. So should
These
I
questions and
answer?
all you may not be able to know, but I have given you that. There are a lot of questions there. Please prepare for that also. Mostly they will not ask.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
I will go to the concept of NPA. What is NPA?
The NPAs are non-performing assets, which are also known as bad loans, which have been default, or they have not been recovered for around duration of more than 90 days. So they have been classified into four categories, like standard NPAs, substandard NPAs, default NPAs, and the loss NPAs, where
No, no.
the duration of the default.
Actually, NPA is divided into three only.
Yes,
Standard is a
standard is the which
normal
recovered
one. Normal one.
normal.
Yeah, good. Please tell me the tagline of our bank.
Yes, the Federal Bank's tagline is your perfect banking partner.
What is the vision and mission of Federal Bank?
So, Federal Bank is envisioned to be the most admired bank in India and also the cross world. and in which mission is to reach the micro, minimum, medium and small enterprises, and also to provide a safe banking practices and digitally transform itself over the years, and make financial inclusion to all the people. Yes, sir.
You are from Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
When is Karnataka Day celebrated?
So November 1st today.
Acha, good. Um, who is your chief minister?
Yes, Sri Siddharamaya, sir.
Correct. Yesterday, what was the important about yesterday? Whose, which day was celebrated yesterday? October 31. That was Indira Gandhi Memorial Day. Then
Oh,
Sardar Vallabhai Patel birthday.
okay, sir.
Indira Gandhi was killed
Yes,
by
sir.
her own men in October 31,
Sir,
1984.
84. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Um, have you heard about this scheme, some Sakti scheme? What is that Sakti scheme?
Sir, it is to provide women, like it is a freebie which has been started by the Karnataka government, where the women are eligible to travel across Karnataka with Aadhaar card freely.
And that means you can travel throughout Karnataka or only within Bangalore city. Any
Throughout
idea?
Karnataka. Throughout
Throughout
Karnataka. Yes, sir. Across the
that,
district.
that means you can go from Bangalore to Mysore without charge.
Yes, sir. With Aadhaar card.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Mani-
Provided the Aadhaar card has the Karnataka address, we can travel.
மாநில அரசு பேருந்துகளில் பெண்கள் இலவசமாக பயணம் செய்யும் சக்தி திட்டம் சிறப்பாக செயல்பட்டு வருகிறது. ஓஹோ, correct. Yeah, excellent. So that means they can travel throughout the state, but I think in Tamil Nadu they give only within Chennai. But there, I think they are giving you for
Yes,
throughout the
across
state.
Karnataka. Yes,
So
sir.
what is your birth star?
Birth star.
Do you believe in birth stars?
No, sir, I don't believe.
Acha. You are a Muslim or Hindu?
I'm a Hindu, sir. Uh,
Hindu. Yeah, yeah. Okay, no problem. I'm
yes,
just trying to find out whether any question relating to mm, Karnataka is coming here.
okay, sir.
Mm, what is important about your district? Speak some good points about your district.
Okay, sir. So I belong from the Harvard district, which is known for its educational institutes, uh, having a Karnataka University and the most esteemed University of Agricultural Sciences, Harvard. Uh, and nowadays, it has opened up many institutes for UPSC and also the banking sector. So it has been an educational hub. And coming to having its taluks, that is Hubli, where the printing or and the manufacturing of the national flag takes place, and it has been specialized since the independence. Again, we have the GI tag for Dharwad, that is the Dharwad Peda, which is very famous. Uh, and
Mm,
historically, we have the Chandramauleshwar temple in Dharwad district. Uh,
mm,
Again, the Siddharth Mata, which has been very devotional, and many celebrities have visited it because of its having the high people having high faith in it and believing in the Siddhartha Swami.
mm,
Has been helping people and had been philanthropy done most of the charitable works in his life. Uh, and in Hubli, again in Hubli is also known, like which comes under the Harvard district. It's a industrial hub, and it is known as Chota Mumbai because of its emerging industrial sectors. Yes, sir.
mhm. Good. That's fine. You are in Bengaluru or where? Dharwad, na?
I'm in Hubli, which comes in the Harvard district.
Acha. Good. One minute.
Yes, sir.
Mm. Did you exercise your franchise last time for the parliament elections? Did you cast
Mm,
your vote?
yes, sir. I have before.
Mm. Yeah, good. I appreciate you.
Yes.
Which film actor do you like very much? Kannada actor. Your mother tongue is Kannada, na?
Yes, yes, sir. My mother tongue is Pattegar, sir, but our state language is Kannada, so inherently I know Kannada. And I
Mm.
appreciate maybe Punit Rajkumar, sir, who is no more among us, but he has given a long lasting impact due to his.
No, but you must tell somebody who is alive.
Okay, sir. Uh,
Then, which film actress do you like very much?
Yes, sir,
What are your
Anushka.
hobbies? What are your hobbies?
My hobbies, sir, I like to try new dishes when I'm free cooking. Then sometimes I like small travels across.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you
Yes,
so much. Best wishes. But
yes, sir.
I was in confusion as to whether I should ask more of agriculture questions or not, because it depends what they are going to ask. But
Okay, sir.
be ready about current affairs, static GK,
Yes,
banking, and all the thing. Banking, now. You read
yes,
something
sir.
more about banking also. What is pledge?
Pledge is the guarantee, or it is some asset which has been taken, immovable asset that is, I'm sorry, some movable asset that has been taken into consideration while providing loan. The pledge is basically taken for gold
Hmm.
loans, where the gold is kept with the person who is giving the loan, and the person will get back his asset when and only when he repays the loan. So that is
The
pledge.
second half of the answer 100% correct. First half you messed up that one. What is hypothecation?
Hypothecation, again, it is against the loan provided against a movable asset, but the ownership of the asset will be with the person who is taking the loan, and he can use it, but he has to repay with the amount. For example, it comes for a vehicle loan.
Yeah. Even in respect of a pledge,
Yes,
ownership
sir.
lies with the customer only.
Yes, sir.
It is not becoming the property of the bank. Only thing is custody is with the bank.
Fine.
What is
Okay, sir.
mortgage?
Oh, sir, I didn't get what is
Mortgage. Mortgage means
mortgage.
immovable properties like
Yes, sir.
land and building.
Immobile properties. Yes, sir.
Can
Against
agricul
bank.
can agricultural land be sold by bank in auction?
No, sir. They can, if the farmer falls default in repaying, they can restructure the loan from short term to medium term or long term, but they cannot sell it.
Very good, correct. But if he
Yes,
has some house property, that can be sold.
yes, sir.
Good, you answered very well.